Lilo! Smile! What are you doing?
Smile!
Why? Don't touch the cake! We're still waiting for Pop.
Ellie Eigenmann turns 9 today, November 23. Her mom, Andi Eigenmann, posted on Instagram a birthday message along with a gallery of Ellie's photos through the years. It was Andi's way of celebrating 9 years of having Ellie as a major motivation in her life. The soon-to-be mother of three wrote, "I wouldn't trade having you for anything in this world, my dearest Ellie Bell. I will forever be grateful that the universe gave me you." Andy underlined how more and more special Ellie has become for her. She thanked her older daughter for inspiring her to do her best as a mom. "Because that's what you deserve. Thank you so much for being you." The part-time actress said she's honored to be her mother, expressing so much joy at how Ellie has grown to become such an admirable lady that fills her heart with pride. She wrote, "I am in awe of the person you have become, an amazing, funny kid with a big, big heart, and it has been such a privilege to be with your mom. To be your mom. Happy birthday, Ellie. You are so loved and cared for. Always, always." Her dad Jake Ejercito, for his part, uploaded a short video of Ellie playing with bubbles through the years and wrote a short but sweet message for her princess. His caption read, "Who you are and who you're becoming is truly amazing to witness. Happy birthday to the coolest and loveliest in my galaxy. Love you, my princess." Jake's sister and Ellie's aunt, Jerica Ejercito, also sent a touching message for the birthday girl. Jerica, a mother to four boys, said in her message, "There is no reason for her to keep trying for a girl because she already has Ellie. Happy birthday to our one and only princess. You are growing so beautifully, my love. Please, no need to rush. We still have lots of Hachimals to take care of and Polly Pocket to watch again and again. I love you so, so much, our forever princess." Jake threw an advance birthday party for Ellie in Tagaytay on Sunday, November 22. It was an under-the-sea themed mini pizza party. Ellie and her cousins Isaiah, Danielle, and Miguel made pizzas with do-it-yourself pizza kits. Jake arrived just in time to be by the side of his daughter. He came all the way from his show Sunday Noontime Live in Manila earlier that day.
Lilo! Smile! Why? Don't touch the cake! We're still waiting for Pop.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.